Happy Brain English. Today we are reading Beyond Christmas Eve, The Toymaker of Whispering Woods. Nestled deep within the heart of Whispering Woods, where snowflakes sparkled like diamonds on evergreens, lived a jolly man named Nicholas. You might know him better as Santa Claus. But on days that weren't Christmas Eve, his life was a far cry from chimneys. Nicholas was a toymaker, the finest in all the land. His workshop, a gingerbread-scented haven, hummed with the tap-tap-tap of hammers and the whirring of spinning wheels. Every day, a symphony of creation flowed from his nimble fingers. Wooden rocking horses that galloped in dreams, dolls with hair spun from moonlight, and trains chugging with the promise of adventure. His best friends were the woodland creatures, a wise old owl who dispensed advice like twinkling stars, a mischievous squirrel who chased tangled threads, and a gentle reindeer named Holly, who helped Nicholas deliver his toys, not around the globe, but to nearby villages. Sometimes, children from the village would peek through the frosted windows, hoping to catch a glimpse of the magic within. On those days, Nicholas would set down his tools and invite them in, offering cups of warm cocoa and the chance to paint snowflakes on wooden wagons. Their laughter became the workshop's music, their dreams woven into the very fabric of his toys. One such day, a little girl named Lily approached, her eyes wide with wonder. "Mr. Nicholas," she whispered, "do you ever get tired of making toys?" Nicholas smiled, his beard shimmering like spun sugar. "Tired? Lily, every toy carries a piece of a wish, a hope, a joy. How could I ever weary of making dreams come true?" That night, under the velvety cloak of stars, Nicholas sat by the crackling fire, a new idea warming his heart. He crafted a tiny rocking horse, its mane woven with starlight, and placed it on Lily's doorstep. When she saw it the next morning, her eyes glittered brighter than any star. And so, Nicholas's days, though not filled with Christmas Eve's magic, were woven with a different kind of wonder. He filled every day with kindness, sprinkled it like sugar on gingerbread, and watched it bloom into smiles, whispers of thank you, and the silent language of dreams coming true. For Nicholas, every day was a little Christmas, a celebration of the joy that bloomed when one heart touched another. And that, my friends, is the truest magic of all. The magic that lives, not just on Christmas Eve, but in every whispered wish, every shared laugh, every spark of imagination, held gently in the hands of a jolly toymaker named Nicholas, the Santa Claus of every day. Thanks for watching our Storytime adventure. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe for more fun tales. Stay tuned for new stories. The next one is just around the corner. Keep smiling and see you in the next adventure.